Hello everyone! Welcome back to Triplezon. Today, we are checking out the best robot vacuum and mop combo that helps you keep your floors clean without lifting a finger. If you want smart cleaning with both vacuuming and mopping in one device, this could be a great addition to your home. Let's explore what makes it special. Let's get started. Meet the T7S Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. This device is designed to handle both dry and wet cleaning at the same time. It features a 2-in-1 system with separate dust and water tanks. That means it can vacuum dirt and debris while also mopping hard floors in one smooth run. You save time because you do not need two separate cleaning steps. The T7S Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo can be controlled using the Tuya Smart app or remote control. Through the app, you can adjust suction power, choose cleaning modes, set schedules, and even direct the cleaning path. Everything feels simple and easy to manage. It also works with Google Assistant, so you can control it using voice commands. Just speak and the cleaning starts. Battery performance is another strong point. The T7S Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo comes with a 2600 mAh battery that provides up to 180 minutes of quiet cleaning. It can cover areas up to 1,937 square feet on a single charge. When the battery level drops below 20% or when cleaning is complete, it automatically returns to its charging dock. You do not need to worry about plugging it in yourself. To give you more control, the T7S Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo offers multiple cleaning modes. You can choose Auto Mode for general cleaning, Zigzag Mode for more organized coverage, Spot Mode for focused areas, and Edge Mode to clean along walls and corners. These options help you customize the cleaning process based on your home layout. Navigation is handled by 15 sets of infrared sensors. These sensors help the robot detect walls, stairs, and obstacles. It moves carefully around furniture and avoids falling down steps. It can even climb slopes up to 15 degrees and pass over small thresholds or carpets without getting stuck. This makes cleaning smooth and consistent. The design is slim, measuring only 2.90 inches in height. Because of this low profile, the T7S Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo can easily slide under beds, sofas, and other furniture. It reaches areas that are often difficult to clean with traditional tools. Overall, the T7S Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo combines a 2-in-1 cleaning system, smart app control, voice assistant support, long battery life, automatic recharging, multiple cleaning modes, advanced infrared sensors, and a slim design into one compact device. It brings convenience and intelligent cleaning together in a simple way. Here's the exciting part. If you want hands-free floor cleaning with smart features, this one is definitely worth a look. Check the price link in the description to learn more. Like and subscribe to Triplezon for more smart home finds. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.